We're going to talk about how showings work if you're a home seller and you have your house on the market and people are calling and scheduling private showings. What are some of the things that you should do? One of the top things that we recommend that neither the seller nor the list agent be present when the house is being shown to buyers. Home buyers typically don't feel comfortable when they're going through a house and the seller's agent is there or the seller's there and they feel like they're being watched or they can't have an open conversation. And sometimes they might feel like they're being rushed. So it's always best to just let the buyers and their agent have the time and the space to go through the house themselves.
One thing you want to do is make sure you leave all the lights on and put all the shades up. You want to make sure that the house feels inviting and that it's warm when they come in to view your property.
Remember that if someone has a specific appointment for a certain time to come see your house, you always want to allow a little bit of time before and a little bit of time after in case they're running late or running early. People don't always come right exactly at that time, so you want to leave probably 15 minutes around the appointment time.
You want to make sure your house is ready for the prom. What I mean by that is you want to make sure it's picked up, it's clean, it looks nice. You know, you're trying to sell it, so you want to bring the best presentation of that house that you can.
Some things I've seen are dirty laundry, dirty dishes, pet accidents, and then one thing is that if you do have a pet kind of tucked away in a crate somewhere, just give them a little warning. There have been times where we've gone down to the basement and then we find a little surprise, and unless we know that it's there, sometimes you hear the animal and you don't know if it's out loose or if it's in a crate, so just make sure you give a warning if you got pets in the house.
Consider leaving out maybe a small water bottle or a snack. It says help yourself. You know, it always makes people feel welcome, like they go, I like this house, I want to be in this house, and I'm going to reciprocate that.
Paul likes chips, in case you're wondering.
Who doesn't?
Make sure that you secure or remove valuables like cash, jewelry, electronics, computers, medications, all that stuff should be put away.
Yeah, the last thing someone wants to do is walk into your bathroom and be like, this is a beautiful bathroom, and then see your big tube of hemorrhoid cream on the counter.
After a showing, after you've left your house, the number one thing you're wondering as a seller is what happened? What did they think? Did they want to make an offer? What did they say? This is the time to be patient because buyers don't always give feedback right away. A lot of times they're out seeing several homes. They may have a long day. You may not get any feedback until the next day. So just remember that even though you are super anxious and want to know what happened, you may not get that response immediately.